Are you faced with challenges? When taking your loved ones out for lunch or dinner, the accessibility of restaurants or shops can often pose difficulties for individuals with special needs. KODO has introduced a portable and rollable aluminum ramp designed to address this issue. Easily placed at the entrance, the ramp is easy to put on and easy to store when not in use. Not only does the KODO ramp enhance accessibility for your loved ones, but it also serves as a practical solution for loading and unloading goods. Ideal for places such as restaurants, pharmacies, convenience stores, and all kinds of retail shops. Transform your business into eco-friendly. The ramp's length is adjustable, ranging from 3 feet to 25 feet. Can be used for indoor or outdoor. Loading capacity of 500 kilograms with SGS certification. The KODO ramp ensures durability and safety.